and everything in your name. My name. Come and I'm out of your life. 132123. Let's go party. Party para Paris. You is the time. My mammy now. It's a celebration now. Put your hands up way up to the ceiling. Really, I have strength. Electric vehicles are electric. Yes. Are you cursing me? Go and ask. Whether they give it or not, I won't go and ask you. Buying a luxury car is suffering. This is a sadness. I'm like a fish in your lotus pond. What were you thinking at the time? Still pretty good when the wind picks up. Okay. This fish doesn't like it, but you can express this feeling in another way. Deliberately break like this and then say, Gillen will impose a penalty of 200 and deduct 9 points. In the center of the water. Wow. Old people like to study a little bit. Why? Young lady's practice car, yeah. Still hasn't finished the probationary period. Then there's a slight scratch on the front left. Didn't know what was going on at the time. Driving over from the opposite lane. Flipped that small truck over directly. The front axle of the small truck was destroyed. This is a tough guy, the small truck lost. No big deal. Simple repair is enough. Can be fragile. Can be because when we understand. I'm too fixated. The opponent is laughable, but my wine goes far away. What are you doing here with this? Do you buy into this? You were originally doing it so high-end. I'm cold too. I'm half cold. You should quickly change the place. Let them go off stage. I'll watch the second half later. How is it that so many people know you? Are you measuring your own energy? Don't you have any shame? I was calling in high school. Can make yourself happy. No problem. You can complain. We'll all like it. Must stick to the left and right. You're not sticking it. What is this? Then you speak. Say I bought it for you. He won't give it to you but to your dad. Then go find him. You get him a sheep. I tell you there are definitely no dog teeth. I will also send you a bath. So you speak. You did a good job. You turned on the air conditioner. Everyone, give everyone a call. Let's talk about why we know you won't let you get out of the car. This is number 63 is about to open. At danger. Take the next bus. Take the next bus with him. Don't behind closed eyes. Damn, you have to hit that corner. No, he wants a sharp corner. You know, can we not pinch that thing down? No need to hit it. Can be broken here. Not spicy. Exactly. Damn, imported glass. Damn, I'm gonna F***CK this glass. You're just talking, huh? What time is it now? What food did you bring me? I know a little bit, wanna say a little. Don't be too afraid. Let me love you.